Every day, we juggle tasks, tabs, and notifications, trying to stay on top of everything. Information pours in from everywhere. Emails pile up somewhere in here, something important gets missed. We bookmark what matters, promising ourselves we'll come back. Saved posts, saved jobs, saved ideas, all waiting, while life moves on. And even in an AI-powered world, we're still writing reminders, hoping we won't forget. The problem isn't information, it's action. Meet Mnemos, your second brain, powered by Gemini 3. Its core features include multimodal input, agentic tool execution, proactive notifications, beautiful UI, and research and reasoning. Let's see how to get started. Mnemos is a desktop app, easy to install like any other. Sign in with your Google account, authenticate, and you're all set. Once the floating button appears, you're ready to capture anything instantly. Capture anything, right when it matters. A floating helper, always within reach. Private text notes, only for you. Voice notes, or files that usually get lost in downloads. Write at once. Mnemos understands the intent and automatically sets the reminder. Rohit's birthday gift, handled. Now, inside the app, you can see what Mnemos did for you. 2 tasks, automatically created by its agents. Or just say it out loud. Mnemos listens and understands. Your voice, instantly turned into action. Attach any file you'll need later. Mnemos instantly embeds your files and make. Here, we capture the hackathon page directly from the Chrome browser. Then, using a simple voice note, we ask Mnemos to schedule a meeting and mention the email IDs of the attendees. Gemini 3 understands the intent from both the page and the voice input. Based on this, Mnemos activates the planning agent and the required tools. Meeting is successfully scheduled with Rohit and Sapna for the hackathon submission. This demonstrates the multi-agent capabilities of Mnemos, where intent turns into real action. Let's look at one of the tasks. We asked Mnemos, remind me to enroll in the Google Cloud AI course. Immediately, the research agent and resource agent got to work. They gathered all the learning resources and even created a complete learning path. Every link we need to finish the course is ready, organized, and accessible. Mnemos doesn't just remind you, it helps you take action. Rohit captured this plaid shirt while shopping, because once we open multiple tabs, things get lost. No notes, no voice, just a simple capture. Behind the scenes, Gemini 3 understood his intent, and Mnemos agents pulled the price and all available offers. From raw capture to actionable insight, nothing gets forgotten. Mnemos notifies you before it's too late. Every capture comes with Ask Gemini. Gemini 3 helps you ask anything about what you've saved, analyze it, and make decisions faster. No more hunting for information, answers come to you instantly, so you can act with confidence. Mnemos also has a chat. Ask about any capture or document you've saved, and it will find the answers for you, complete with sources. Everything you've stored is searchable, so insights are always at your fingertips. Mnemos, your second brain, working while you don't, remembering what matters. Think less, do more.